Good morning, students. Now we are coming to our topic Introduction to Digital Logic Design. Continuing in this lecture series, previously we studied about the number system, how the number system is conversion in digital logic system, and how there are many other uses of these number system in other type of coded system. Now we are coming to binary weighted and non-weighted codes. Weighted codes, as previously we studied about binary arithmetic, in which binary addition, subtraction, division and multiplication is performed. These type of different codes are also designed for these operations. So the weighted codes are those that obey the position weighting principle, which states that the position of each number represent a specific weight. In these codes, each decimal digit is represented by a group of 4 bits. In weighted code, each digit is assigned a specific weight according to its position. For example, in 8421 BCD code 1001, the weights of 1101 from left to right are 842 and 1 respectively. So for non-weighted codes, the non-weighted codes are not positionally weighted. In other words, codes that are not assigned with any weight of each digit position, and these examples are XS3 codes and gray code. So now we come to the first BCD addition. It is individually adding the corresponding digits of the decimal number as expressed in 4-bit binary groups starting from the LSD, and if there is no carry and the sum term is not an illegal code, no correction is needed. If there is a carry out of one group to the next group, or if the sum term is an illegal code, then 6 base 10 is 0100 is added to the sum term of that group, and the resulting carry is added to the next group. That means to say, if we have to do BCD addition, so in that group we have to add the value of 6, that is 100, and in some term it should be added and carry should be added in the next group. So for BCD subtraction, performed by subtracting the digits of each 4-bit group of the subtrahend, the digits from the corresponding 4-bit group of the minuend in binary starting from the LSD, and if there is no borrow from the next group, then 6 base 10 is 0110 is subtracted from the difference term of this group. So in addition, the 6 is added, and in subtraction 6 is subtracted. So add the XS3 addition. In XS3 addition, we add 3 number. So add the 3 number by adding the 4-bit group in each column starting from LSD, and if there is no carry starting from the addition of any of the 4-bit group, subtract 0011 from the sum term of those group, because when 2 decimal digits are added in XS3 and there is no carry, result in XS6. So if there is a carry out, add 0011 to the sum term of those group, because when there is a carry, the invalid states are skipped and the result is normal binary. So that means to say, if there is a carry, then we should add 0011, and if there is no carry on that time, we should subtract 0011. Now XS3 subtraction. Subtract the XS3 numbers by subtracting each 4-bit group of the subtrahend from the corresponding 4-bit group of the minuend starting from the LSD. If there is no borrow from the next 4-bit group, add 0011 to the difference term of such groups, because when decimal digits are subtracted in XS3 and there is no borrow, result in normally binary. So if there is a borrow, subtract 0011 from the difference term, because taking a borrow is equivalent to the adding 6 invalid states and result in excess 3. So when there is a borrow, subtract with 0011, and when there is no borrow, on that time add 0011 in excess 3 subtraction. Now representation of sign numbers binary arithmetic in computer. The sign number means the number is positive or negative. There is two ways to repetitive sign numbers: sign magnitude from complemented form, 2's complemented form, and 1's complemented form, 2's complemented form. So for these sign binary number, there should be error detecting codes. When binary data is transmitted and processed, it is susceptible to noise that can alter or distort its contents. The ones may get changed to zeros and ones, because digital system must be accurate to the digit. Error can pose a problem, and several schemes have been devised to detect the occurrence of a single bit error in a binary word, so that whenever such an error occurs, the concerned binary word can be corrected and retransmitted. So this is done for binary arithmetics, where we should study about number system conversion, binary arithmetic system, and there is a excess 3 and excess 3 codes, BCD addition, subtraction, and sign binary numbers. So thank you for this.